but they fit so perfect. When I show my quick test for this LED light calibration module on RS Turbo review, a lot of you DM me and ask me to explore it further, especially how well the print resolve. You can find this LED calibration module from HeyGears directly, and at this moment from my research, only HeyGears printer can automatically calibrate the light uniformity and intensity. I am sure some will complain why don't HeyGears send customer printer with the light already calibrated. HeyGears told me they already calibrated at the factory before send the printer to customer, and the calibration usually lasts for the screen lifespan. So in my opinion, I guess we can expect my test result in this video will be the same on your printer even without using this LED calibration module, as long as no hardware changes and your printer rather new. Using this module is quite easy. Simply plug it into the printer, find frame energy calibration in the setting, and follow the instructions. Then when to use this LED calibration module? 1. If you adjust the light intensity from the main board, there is a voltage limiter for light source, and maybe you make some changes to the light source or replace it. 2. When you replace or upgrade the screen, it is obvious. If you upgrade your screen to the Amber screen and buy the Amber screen upgrade kit, it will include this LED calibration module. 3. Although HeyGears said the calibration will last for the screen lifespan, from my experience, screen will degrade over time. And if you use your printer for professional work that need accuracy, you might want to maintain and check the uniformity regularly. In order to test the accuracy, I made this simple object using blender, tube, and hole. The tube measures 50 mm in diameter, and the holes have different tolerances using blender solidify tool from 0 tolerance to 0.05, 0.1, and 0.15. I placed tube A, B, C, and D on each corner, then tube E at the center of the plate, and scatter the other tubes randomly. Then place the hole also at random. I print them using PAF10 resin, no PRM, at 3 micron, and here the measurement result on each tube. They are all exactly 15 millimeters. What do you guys think of the measurement result? Let me know in the comment section. If you like what you watch, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel directly, you can check my Patreon link in video description or becoming my YouTube member. Next, usually hole or inside wall like this are the trickiest to print, because of the light bias is more intense and shrinking problem. That is why you have to know your printer tolerance capability and make necessary tolerance adjustment when making your 3D model. Usually for resin printing, you need 0.1 until 0.2 mm tolerance. And this is the result for the whole diameter. Now let's see how well this tube fit inside the hole. The first one is 0.0, no tolerance. Almost, not almost, it is barely entering. And then the next one at 0.05, usually still not fit, but this one seems can enter very nice. Whoa. I gotta say it is almost seamless. And then the next one at 0.1 tolerance, quite loose, but it still has a very good fitting, very minimal wiggle, and at 0.15. So the most fitting is at 0.05. Letter A fit very nicely. B also fit very nicely. Letter C also fit very nicely. And then letter D. Yep, still fit very nice, no wiggle at all. Same with A, B, C. And then letter E, the one at the center of the plate. Same, fit very nice. You see, if I sand the top here, it will give it the illusion of a seamless print. And then F also fit very nice. G, yes, same good result. J, ooh, I like this. Everything fits very nice. Although I put them across the plate and some at random placement. And all the tube print with a very good accuracy. Letter K. Yes, very nice. Usually you will have hard time fitting your model with only 0.05mm tolerance. HeyGears blow my mind with the test result. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all Patreon and YouTube members for your support.